Okay, so today's the day that we actually set sail on the boat. So today we'll be taking it from Ridge Wharf at Wareham, Dorset, and we'll be going over to Lake Pier within Poole Harbour. We're really new to this. We're quite excited but also nervous at the same time. We're hoping to learn along as we go, but yeah, it's all exciting. So we'll be back shortly with the next update on where we're going next. Thank you, bye. I can't keep it still because it's making me laugh too. What on earth is he doing? He's obviously got the handle the wrong way round. Oh, now he's going row. Oh dear. See, Sean said that he knows how to use the engine. That's what he said to me earlier on. Now it appears like he's trying to row. It's really funny because he can't row. I can't help it laughing. Oh dear. What are you doing? I'm going to have to go now. Sort him out. Thanks for watching our video. If you really liked watching us, if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. Thank you. Bye for now.